Smallie, don't be a sheep right now. Something telling me you came up quick, but it was really erratic head shakes. Oh, here it comes. Yeah.
Oh, it's a big smallmouth. It's a very big smallmouth. This is a big one. Oh. Oh. Oh my God.
It's under the chin.
Yep. Yep. Oh, it's in the net. Oh, we might have to get a weight on this one. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today we're tube jigging for smallmouth. So just out in the water right now with Jer Bear. We're just hitting the shoreline. We're trying to get us some smallies. I'll be using a 3/8 jig. I think Jerry's using a 1/2 ounce right now. He's gonna use
5/8.
Oh, 5/8. All right. So it's starting to spit a little bit, so we might have some off and on rain. But Jerry's using a 1/2 ounce. He's using a tube special, and I'm gonna be using my jigging special, which is on the ground there. And hopefully we get some nice fish. Water's super clear. Calling for a little bit of rain, a little bit of overcast. There's a little bit of everything. But hopefully we don't catch a million sheephead, which we're probably gonna do. Let's find out how we do in this episode. Sheephead King. Oh my God. Huh? No, they're not. There it is.
I was waiting. I didn't want to cast. I got their way because you're like, oh, what? Like, you could come back.
Small one, but.
Yeah, whatever. Oh, it sure is. Oh, flip.
It's alright. It's alright.
Such a cutie.
Hey, I can keep these tiny ones pinned, but I can't keep a big one pinned. You guys, first smallmouth of the day, nice little 6 ouncer.
3 ouncer.
Yeah, 3 ouncer. I'll say 3 ouncer.
They're already casting like right there.
Yeah, they're not casting far. Oh man. Yeah.
Twice.
Nice. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, it's a big one. That's a big one.
Pinned. Every time they're big, we say that it never stays pinned.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big one. That one's gonna have to go on the scale.
Oh, maybe. I want it to stay pinned.
Where's it going?
Right over here. You're good. You're good. I'm bringing them up. Going to the wall.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's a big one. There you go. Nice. Very dark.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, beautiful color on that fish.
Soaked it. It's right down his throat.
Crazy. Oh hell no.
Did I not bring my pliers?
I thought that was you. What's up, Trish? Look at you fishing it out. You're the one catching stuff.
Well, it's the first one I thought today.
Yeah.
So there you guys go. First bass for Jerry there of the day. Approximately what? What do you say? 3?
Yeah, about 2.5, 3.
It's got a nice gash right there, bro. Something bit the hell out of it.
Oh yeah.
All right, guardian of the water. Should have took home to make shoot, bro.
Yep.
What's up, brother? There she goes.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Whoa, double header smallmouth. They just got double header smallmouth. One guy lost it.
He was a sheephead. New one was coming.
Yeah?
Yeah. Up close.
Watch it be a pounding smallie.
Oh.
Biggest one ever. Biggest one ever. No, that's a sheep. Oh, it's a blimp.
Taking me out to sea. Go ahead, dude. Finish up. I'm gonna be a bit. You don't want to come up.
That's gonna reel in. Don't have to deal with this. So Smalley picks it up or something like that. I'm like, oh no, man, here we go. All hell's breaking loose right now. All hell is breaking loose right now. Wow.
Got it inside the face.
Take home, make soup. I take home my make soup. Oh. Oh my god, it's a big one.
I'm gonna keep going, but I'll reel in.
Yeah. It missed it at first?
I know, I see it.
Yeah.
I don't pay attention to my rod, I just feel the bounce. Just like jigging for the first walleye.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. No, it's in the mouth. Wow. This is the dog in it. Oh, so sorry, so sorry.
You. The fish wants to keep turning and swimming away.
That's why I wait all the time, especially on the boat, until it lobs up.
Choke down the throat.
Yeah. Holy smokes. That's a good fish. Thank you, sir.
Just choke down the throat.
Yeah.
No,
we gotta get the pliers. Oh yeah, he choked it.
A little bit.
It's way down there.
A little bit. So that one wasn't coming out.
There you guys go. So, second bass of the day. That one's thick, bro. That one's really meaty.
Ask if you can touch it. She really wants to touch. We keep fishing. We haven't caught anything yet.
You want to touch a bass? You sure?
Look, you wanted to touch the fish. Nice.
So you guys go, roughly about a 3-pounder or so. But we're gonna let her go back in the water, breathe for another day.
12 pound and a half line.
Oh, Jerry. All right, let's try to catch the next fish, brother. My cankle.
Oh, there it is. There it is. There. Oh, look at that big, shiny. Dude,
Oh,
smallmouth behind it.
where is?
The massive smallmouth behind it. Dude, yeah. Try and get the fish. I'll worry about this. I'm going to keep it right here. He's staying there. He's still there. Dude, he's right there. See him right behind it? I'll try to keep him out of...
Where is he?
He dropped down. Yeah, he followed it right in. There's a smallmouth there, though.
I seen it.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah. Grab it. Oh, is he under my fish?
Yeah, he was for a second.
Okay. I'm trying to
Okay.
keep him in the water as long as I can for you.
There you go.
He's down there. Just keep jigging around there somewhere. He's down there. You won't get a picture?
Oh yeah?
No, I didn't get a good hook set in it, but I hit it on the way down. It's a smallie.
Oh yeah, a big one too.
It's a smallie. Really rapid head shakes.
Nice. You're getting the big ones today, brother.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah.
When's birthday girl when you need it? So I caught this for you, baby.
Seems like every time I go and try to do something.
Yeah. This is a good one. Please stay pinned. Please stay pinned. And stay down. Where you go. Every time they go right, they fucking spit it. Please be a sheep then. Please. Oh, you're small. I don't be a sheep right now. There's something telling me you came up quick with those really erratic head shakes. Oh, here it comes. Yeah.
Oh, it's a big smallmouth. It's a very big smallmouth. This is a big one. Oh. Oh. Oh my god.
It's under the chin.
Yep. Yep. Oh, it's in the net. Oh, we might have to get a weight on this one.
Well, we gotta get it in first.
Yeah.
He's not letting me get him. Try to get him up to you, so he'll. I'm trying to turn him to you, but every time I do, he spins away. Ready?
Here you go.
Did you choke it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah, you did choke it.
That's a big one, bro.
Oh, that's what I came for. Oh, oh, he choked it.
All right, brother. Nice catch.
Thank you.
Huge, huge. So guys, there you go. There's Jerry's jumbo bass. We're gonna get a weight on that in a second. That thing is huge. We got a nice shot with Jerry facing it real quick.
There we go.
All right, guys. Nice fish, Jerry. Hold on a second, brother.
I'll revive it for a minute before I.
Yeah. Just want to get a couple shots of that fish.
Yeah, no, I want to,
Yeah.
before I weigh it, and just wanted to make sure it survives, right?
All right, we're gonna get a weight on this fish, brothers. I'm gonna say 4 pounds, 1 ounce.
I'll say 3.5.
It's a long fish, bro.
Why is it in kilograms? I switched it.
What is it?
Just shy of 2 ounces shy of 5.
No, 4.16.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4.1. You're right. Almost 4.2, yeah.
Yeah, 4.1. There you go. 4 pounds, 1 ounce.
No, dude, that's pounds and ounces. That's 4 pounds, 16 ounces.
No.
Oh,
It's
smallmouth bass.
It's 4 pounds, 1 ounce.
Okay, 4 pound, almost 4 pound 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4.1.
Yeah.
Good guess.
All right.
It can be, but I don't eat them.
Yeah.
I just catch them for fun.
For sport.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So right there, that's a monster. Holy cow! 4 pounds, 1 ounce. Congratulations, Jerry.
Thank you. Nope.
A pound of fish too. Oh yeah, you want me to take some mixtures?
Yeah.
Yeah.
4 pounder going back. That's probably the one that chased the sheep head in.
That was huge.
Dude, this also that muskie comes up and slams it.
There you go, brother.
Atta girl.
Yeah.
Swim strong.
So Jerry just caught his PB, 4 pounds, 1 ounce. That was a giant, brother. So dark, so dark. That thing fought like a giant sheephead.
Oh, it did.
It was horsing.
It didn't come up. It did not come up like them big ones do. Like normally they come right to the surface and they walk because they're trying to spit the bait. So they do one of these. And that guy stayed down the entire time. Oh, my chest.
All right, let's get in there. Get my. All right, Jerry's back with the McDonald's, guys. Gonna take a quick break, get something to eat. Gonna have myself a Big Mac meal. Thank you, Jerry.
You're welcome.
Here's this
Sorry,
with French
long
fries.
without breakfast.
All right, we eat first, then.
There we go.
Another one? Nice. Oh, Jerry's on fire today.
The little feister ones.
Oh yeah.
Jump more.
You're on fire today. That short tube's killing it. There you go, brother.
Thank you. They're choking it.
Oh yeah.
Every one of them just got it down their gullet.
Oh, Jerry. Crushing it, bro.
Got more short tubes if you want.
Oh, maybe later. I like big one. I like big one. I'm just kidding. The big one still hit it too.
Thanks for playing, little guy.
Yeah, I give it a pound.
That pound, it fought like it was a 10.
Yeah. Oh, cormorant.
Good sign. Fish around. Can you imagine
Oh my god.
Can you imagine going like jig it up and all of a sudden like one of those were under there and grabbed it? There you go. See, nice.
Yeah. It came back for it.
No, I watched it. I watched your rod. I watched your rod bounce when he hammered it again before you hooked it.
There you go, another one of the day. Oh, the two came off and everything. It's giving me a round of applause. Nice. Yeah, just let it go. No, I'm good, brother. Faster we get it back in the water. Oh, it's still feisty. What do you say, 3/4 of a pound? Yeah, it's just a little one. Yeah. We were just talking about the cormorant too. Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna end our day there. It was just a nice quick early session in the morning fish. We end up getting what, you got 4 smallmouth and a sheephead. I ended up getting 4, but one was not videoed. Jerry's PB was a 4-pound, 1 ounce, big fat juicy smallmouth. Nice dark colors. I mean, it took over well, it just took like the overcast conditions for them to actually get that really nice dark pattern. We find out when it's all sunny out, it'll go nice and green. But if you guys are looking for the tackle and stuff like that, check out Tactical Fishing. We were using a tube special and a jigging special and pumpkin tube plastics. So fuck off.